Frigidaire refrigerator model FPBG2278UF error codes. Frigidaire Professional 36-inch freestanding counter-depth French door refrigerator with 22.3 cubic feet total capacity, 4 glass shelves, 6.8 cubic feet freezer capacity, crisper drawer, automatic defrost, ice maker, adjustable glass shelves, Pure Air Ultra 2 air filter, automatic alerts, even temp cooling system, crisp seal crispers, pure. Error codes. Code. Op-in freezer temperature display. Problem. Freezer temperature sensor open. Fix. Unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the freezer temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code. Shush in freezer temperature display. Problem. Freezer temperature sensor shorted. Fix. Unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the freezer temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code. Op-in refrigerator temperature display. Problem. Refrigerator temperature sensor open. Fix. Unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the refrigerator temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code. Shush in refrigerator temperature display. Problem. Refrigerator temperature sensor shorted. Fix. Unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the refrigerator temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code. SI-EF. Problem. Evaporator fan circuit failure. Fix. Unplug the refrigerator and check the evaporator fan wire harness connection in the freezer. Code. SI-CE or SI-CF. Problem. Communications failure between the electronic control board and user interface. Fix. Unplug the refrigerator and check the wire harness connections between the user interface and the electronic control board.